The Ottawa Christmas Market at Lansdowne Park is one of the city's most beloved holiday events. Held annually during the Christmas season, it offers a warm and festive traveler for life for families, couples, and friends. The Ottawa Christmas Market is an excellent way to get into the holiday spirit in Ottawa, supporting local businesses while enjoying the sights, sounds, and tastes of the season. It's a must-visit if you're in Ottawa during Christmas. There is more to watch and hear in this video. Have fun watching. Live entertainment. Performances by local choirs, bands, and solo artists spread holiday cheer. Caroling and other interactive activities add to the festive vibe. And about decor and ambiance. Beautifully decorated Christmas trees and twinkling lights create a magical setting. Photo opportunities abound with festive backdrops and sometimes even Santa Claus visits. market you will find a variety of local artisans and small businesses offer unique handmade goods, including ornaments, jewelry, candles, and holiday decorations. Perfect for finding one-of-a-kind gifts for loved ones. And if you like to eat and drink, warm up with hot chocolate, cider, and specialty coffee. Delicious treats like gingerbread pastries, pretzels, waffles, roasted chestnuts, and other seasonal delicacies.
Picture. I'm going to take a picture of that.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, but it's like, yeah. I'm so happy the tree and everything was out.
Okay, but the Madrid one I say.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching.